S'mores, s'mores, sure do love s'mores.
Hey guys, thank you for stopping by today. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. I got in the mail from Starbucks huge box of goodies because I entered in their s'mores contest and I won. I was one of the winners and I'm really excited to open this up, so I figured why not just open it up with you guys. Haha. Ooh, by the way, I told you guys I was gonna do it. Hair is cut, snipped, gone. Don't be mad. It'll grow back. No worries. This box is ginormous. Ooh. Oh, how cute is this? Okay, hold on. Oh, get out. Well, here it is. Welcome to the S'mores life. By the way, if you haven't tried their S'mores Frappuccino yet, go try it. I love Starbucks. I used to work for them a couple of years back. They had a great team. Everybody loved working together. I used to work on 42nd Street Grand Central and it was always busy. So I used to know all about the coffee, all about the teas, everything, you name it. It says, congratulations, Starbucks. A lot of motion in there. Okay, it says, enjoy S'mores Frappuccino blended beverages on us. It says, gimme s'mores. The gift card is right there. I don't know if you can see it. It says, load your gift card with your Starbucks reward account for $500 towards living your best s'mores life. $500 Starbucks gift card. That's coffee every day. That's exactly what I need. That's probably one of the best things in this box so far. And then, oh, look how cute this is. It says, gimme s'mores. And it's a little tote bag. Oh, this is nice. It's like a nice tote bag. See? Gimme s'mores. Oh, look how cute this is. They actually like personalized this. It says, welcome to the S'mores life, Christina. Thank you for showing off your love for the S'mores Frappuccino blended beverage. Your reunion was truly extra s'mordinary. Super fans like you are the reason why we finally brought the S'mores Frappuccino back, and we hope you enjoy this limited edition set of s'more accessories and a $500 Starbucks gift card for a summer supply of S'mores Frappuccino. Really nice. Definitely gotta keep that. Memories. I'm that type of person. In the box, there's like a whole bunch of like, hold on, these. And there's a shirt in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's a medium. They did ask ahead of time like what size I was, and I think I'm a medium. This is huge. It's so big. Look, look, look. It's a tank top. It has the s'mores right here, but this is ginormous. Hold on. I'm gonna stand up for you guys, which never happens. Look, like, it's all the way down here. It's huge. I probably should have said like an extra small or small, but I didn't know what to expect because I'm a little chunky. But still, it's so cute. I love it. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, this one's nice. Really nice material. Beautiful color too. Oh, look how cute this is. Give me s'mores. I like this one so much. Maybe I could just take these in or something. I'm so short. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Give me s'mores. I'm gonna see if maybe like there's a way, take it in, cut it up, like make it my own, you know. There's a hat, a cute little pink hat. Look, it has the little, of course, S'mores Frappuccino on there. Let me see, I have a big head, so, oh, I think I look so weird with a hat on. I really do think I look like a weirdo with a hat on. What do you guys think? I could rock a hat or like Chris stop. Let me know. Just be nice. The following is the reason why I entered the contest. Because I was like, wait a minute. This is not going to be sold anywhere. Like, this is only going to be in the contest. I need this in my life. Sip Kit S'mores Frappuccino 4 Luxe Liquid Lip Shades. This is the box. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, on the side it says Chocolicious Bliss, and that's a matte. Then we have Marshmallow Glow, which is a gloss, Campfire Spark, which is a gloss, and then Glam, which is a gloss. So 1 matte, 3 glosses. Great for me because if you guys know me, you know that I love glosses. I'm a gloss girl. Mattes are cool, but I always put a gloss on top. So I'm happy about that. This is what the side looks like, what I just read. And then in the back it says, ready to get some more juice. I love the play on words with s'mores. Introducing 4 lip shades blended to suit every s'mores frappuccino blended beverage lover. A long-wearing matte will stay put from the first sip to the last, and 3 glossy toppers will add a little glam to every hint of gram. This has a 24-month shelf life. It says not for resale. Not gonna be selling this anyway. And it says made in the USA. Of course, it has all the like ingredients there. Not gonna go through that right now. This is what they look like. This one is the matte and these 3 are the glosses. So we have chocolate bliss. Now of course I'm wondering if this actually smells like chocolate. We're about to find out. It smells like chocolate. This smells like chocolate, like Hershey's chocolate, which is what you would use in a s'more. Hershey's chocolate bar, graham cracker, marshmallow, s'mores. Oh, okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, she feels really nice. Look at that gorgeous color. Oh, I love that pretty color. This is Marshmallow Glow. I don't know if these are scented, but we're gonna find out. No, I don't really smell anything, but here we go. Here is the gloss. Ooh, she's pretty. She's icy. Look at that shine. Campfire Spark. Sorry, I'm just smelling each of them just in case. It doesn't have a scent, but my goodness, that's gorgeous. This one has a gold shift in it. See that one? And then last one is Glam. Let's open this up. For a second, I thought I smelled something and I was gonna get hyped. Alright. Ooh. Oh, okay. This one's also goldish. In the light, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but in the light, it looks more white, but in person, it looks yellow. It looks a little bit more yellow. And a little bit of pink too, like underneath it. This one right here. Really pretty. First, I'm gonna try Chocolate Bliss. Let's see. Oh, hair in the way. This went on really easily. Like, glided on, and it feels really good. I can't really smell the chocolate anymore, which is great, especially if you're like, oh, I don't really like the chocolate smell. Can't smell it. I actually want to go ahead and just do this. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and put Campfire Spark on. Alright guys, well this is dried down, so I want to go ahead and put on the gloss right up top. That's what I normally do anyway for videos, so it's great. This is great for me. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this gloss. So, I don't know if you guys can see, because obviously I'm not like super duper close to you, but in the mirror, in the light, everything, I see glitters of like pink, of gold, of purple. It's such a pretty gloss. Oh my goodness. It feels so good too. It's not tacky. It's not heavy. So comfortable, and it feels really good. I'm in love with this. I'm so happy. Starbucks, if you happen to be watching this video, please open this to the public, because I'm telling you, this is amazing. People are gonna buy this. People are gonna be wowed just like me. Alright guys, well that's it. That's everything that I got in the s'mores contest. That's everything that I won. I did not think I was gonna win. There were a lot of entries. I ended up joining the whole contest literally maybe 3 hours before they closed it. I don't even know. It was very close to the closing time, and I was just like, you know what, Chris, go for it. Draw the s'mores frap on your face. I was like, go. So leave your thoughts down below. Let me know if you think that Starbucks should launch these lipsticks. I mean, they did a great job. So anyway, I will catch you guys in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Graham cracker, marshmallow, Hershey, and bar. Everybody loves s'mores. Sure do love s'mores.